These raccoon kits are taking their first steps towards independence. Just 3 months old, they're still under Mum's watchful eye. For now. Budding explorers, they are into everything, which can get them into trouble. But curiosity is essential. Right now, they're looking for food, like insects, frogs and snails. But unlike most mammals, they don't just hunt with their nose. They hunt with their feet. Independent toes make their paws as dexterous as our hands. A creek can be a challenging hunting ground. Ripples and the sun's glare make it hard to see under the surface. But when wet, a raccoon's paws become even more sensitive. Just like a cat's whiskers, fine hairs on their fingers sense the tiniest vibrations, sending signals to a brain that, for its size, is more devoted to touch than any other carnivore. But it takes time to figure out what's what. So, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Gotcha.